In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Sam's Club back in a flash error. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is refresh or reload the page. For that, click on this icon given at the top left. Click on this icon for several times. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between networks. Next, wait a few minutes and try again. The back in a flash message often appears during temporary server maintenance or periods of high traffic. Next thing you want to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. For that, click on three dots given at the top right. Select the option Settings. Navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Then head over to the option Site Settings. Click on the option View Permissions. Now here search for Sam's Club. Once it appears, click on the trash icon for it and confirm the deletion. Next, check for browser extension. Head over to the option Extensions. From here, you can easily remove or completely disable suspicious extensions. If you are connected to a VPN or proxy server, you will need to remove that as well. Next thing you want to do is update your browser to its latest version. If any updates are available, just update it. Next, check the server status. For that, launch your preferred browser. Head over to the website Time Detector. Now search for Sam's Club. If you found out any outages over here, you will need to wait until the problem will be restored from the end. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, contact Sam's Club member support. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.